Right now at noon, 343 years in prison. That's what a judge sentenced Aaron Richardson for his attempt to assassinate a federal judge. In March, a jury found Richardson guilty of attempted murder and 23 other charges. Channel 4's Chris Parento was in court this morning for the sentencing. Joining us now live downtown. Chris.
Bruce, the judge that heard the case was brought in from Alabama just to make sure that there was no conflict of interest or no signs of impropriety in this case. And he said at that sentencing, before he came down with that sentence of 343 years in federal prison for Aaron Richardson, that he had virtual certainty that if Richardson ever got out of prison, he would go right back into the criminal justice system. He said this was a bold, brazen attempt to assassinate a federal judge for his own personal gain. Attorneys representing the government said that Richardson had tried and forged documents to try to get himself exonerated, forging Judge Timothy Corrigan's signature to get himself exonerated from all of his previous charges. They said that he stole a .30-06 rifle from Sports Authority and waited outside of the judge's house nearly just over 3 years ago and took a shot, one shot, fired one bullet into the judge's house that missed the judge by 1.6 inches. The judge that was hearing the case said that 1.6 inches was the difference between this life sentence of 343 years and something more severe as a sentence for Aaron Richardson. The attorneys representing Judge Corrigan said that Richardson had zero previous experience using a rifle like this or a gun of any kind. They say because of that, it's very lucky. And that's why Judge Corrigan is still alive right now. The district attorney for the United States spoke after this sentencing, saying this wasn't just an attack on Judge Corrigan.
United States District Judge Timothy Corrigan, and for 23 related offenses. The attack on Judge Corrigan was not only an attack on the man personally, it was an attack on the entire federal judicial system and the rule of law. Judges should not fear that their impartial decisions will subject them to threats of reprisal or even worse, physical attacks, attempted assassinations.
There seemed to be very little remorse from Aaron Richardson today. He did speak during the sentencing, asking where everybody would be when the truth comes out, almost implying that he still doesn't believe that he's guilty in all of this. United States Attorney Lee Bentley said the facts don't support that at all and that there has been no remorse from Aaron Richardson at any point. We will have much more on this sentencing and the comments from the United States Attorney, as well as the attorneys that represented Judge Corrigan, who also read a statement in court this morning, which is on our website, newsforjax.com. We'll have much more coming up tonight and on our website throughout the day. Live downtown, I'm Chris Parento, Channel 4, the local station.